In this video, I'll show you how to connect your OKX account to TradingView. Okay, so here we are on the computer. I'm going to show you everything that you need to do right now. So what I would advise you to do is already open OKX and have TradingView also open as well. And you want to really log into OKX, so log in advance to your account. Now once you've logged in, go to TradingView, then go to the three lines in the top left hand corner, then go to markets, and then I would click on crypto. Now there are many other ways that you can get to this, but just go on crypto and then click overview. What that will do is it will load up the overview of the crypto market. Now once you're in here, go to search, and then you want to change it to crypto. It probably will already be on this by default. Now once you've clicked on crypto, you're going to have to then search for OKX. So if you go to all sources, you can then click on OKX, and it's going to show you here all of the OKX sources. Now you can choose which one you want to trade. Obviously these are different cryptos, right? And I'm going to trade BTC to USDT, and you can go ahead and click on that, and it's going to launch the chart. So here we are in the BTC to USDT chart. Now what we have to do now is connect the OKX exchange to TradingView. To do that, you need to click on Trading Panel at the bottom here, and then you can connect through their brokers. So in this case, we're looking for OKX. So go ahead and click on OKX, and then you can either choose live or demo account. I'm going to choose live, and if you want to trade for real, obviously choose live. Then I'm going to click on connect, and what we can do then, it will take us to OKX. From here, we can then go ahead and authorize this. You are going to need to be logged into OKX, so that's why I said log in before you try and connect it, because it's just going to make everything easier. And then once you've clicked connect, you will then see OKX on the left here, and you can see that you're trading through this broker account. And you'll also see OKX and a green circle, which means it's connected. Then to trade, you want to click on trade, and it's going to show you all of your current positions, your orders, your history, and so on. Now if you go into the top right hand corner, you can then go ahead and trade up here. So you've got market orders, limit orders, and you can go ahead and either buy or sell, and that's pretty much all you need to do to connect the two, and you can use it as you would do usually and trade with the BTC to USDT pair in this case. So I hope that was helpful. Let me know if it was, and subscribe for more videos.